We'll guide you through how to fix NFC not working on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really inconvenient because you're trying to go and scan something and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, as otherwise you may go and miss the method that solves the problem for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to go and swipe up like this. You want to go and find the option for settings. You can search at the top or swipe across and find it, and here it is. Now what you need to do is you want to come into connections, come down, and you need to find NFC and contactless payments. Make sure this is switched on, and just make sure when you're tapping and typing it in the right area, you can go and see that you go and tap it at the top of your phone. Now go and see if that goes and solves it. If it still doesn't, the next thing you're going to want to do is you need to come back to the main settings and scroll down, find the option for apps, come to the right of your apps and go and press those three lines. And you want to make sure show system apps are switched on, press OK. You can press search in the top right, type in NFC, there it is, go and tap on it. Scroll down and you can go and find storage and try clearing the cache in the bottom right. Then we can come out of here and you can then try using it and go and see if it works. Hopefully it does. If it still isn't, try removing the case if you've got one on. Sometimes the case can go and interfere. So just take the case off, then try tapping with the right area and hopefully that solves it. If it still doesn't, what's worth doing is tapping and holding the side button. You see this screen here, press restart and press restart again. When the device comes back on, hopefully that will go and refresh things and get it working. If it still isn't, just make sure that it doesn't need a specific app. Sometimes the specific app for it is needed, so go and check that. And otherwise, try using a different NFC in case the one you're trying to use just isn't working.